Conrad said that lady is really a pain in the neck to him. So he had seen something. I wish I knew he had seen something.
Eken nekerero kia mate jomuga kanyabuto korwa sekenyero kia geko kegotoka ime ya sublocation ya Boronyi ime ye wodi ya Kiogoro. Maega yogukwa ku mwana wa Conrad Nyabuto oywe obaka gutigirwa chingoma chimiyo asomuberoye.
Amangana, it was on 17th January Nairobi when I received a call Korunka. Ngote unge accident nile yabeire eline ngwakira Nyabuto bwa mwabo nkumubole ngiki yabeire. And that is the time we disclosed inga umwana igaitire igari nyagitari KU. Elinde tokaimuka tokagenda mpaka KU ne family. Nabo tuegete moche aso umwana yabekire tukanyora Conrad.
Conrad was gruesomely murdered. Because that wasn't self-defense. You can't stab someone 27 times. And after stabbing Conrad, the said lady then cut herself on the left wrist. Because I remember I was shown, I was the first one. I was actually the first one to be shown the pictures of the scene.
Ogwikirana kwa makweli anyagusira nikabona akageire maega jokorekana koba umusani bw'umunyarukoja omo kulinde no nyakonyatara mu manyikani ase amate yaye.
We tried to make a follow-up. Ngakiamangana ya jagete. What you have just heard kwa mwegulu kwa say family. Umoise koyo odari muntu very introduced to the family. You know, tomaitenga no nekere nyomere nekero muntare tayari. Ngoletu wara mpaka saba iboli bamorora.
I only saw that lady once when we were dropping Connie. She was waiting for him, so we dropped him. I actually only saw her once, and she was obsessed. She was actually obsessed with Conrad. So I think that's how he came to meet his demise, because he had arranged to break the relationship. So I think after he told her about that is when now she started planning.
Gusangana mamu mwabo nigobona gusaba obwene kurwa serikali kubwatikana hano gukwa ku mwana oye oyibona konya asemeretie.
Asa enda already hata kama, lakini tunataka justice ifanyike na hiyo maneno ijulikane kila mahali, ndio hata wengine wasipatwe na changa kama hiyo.
Chinga kie checho omukagerwa oywe ni gabekire byara asekitaseri ky'abanyanyimbo imeyo mu Nairobi. Chinga kibona abasayabo igo baboririwe banyare gwetanga nakoba maiso anene asokubeka tenene abasani gosobwa amateba bwate n'abasani babo.
Bana baitubona igabarase such kind of relationships. Immediately kwa manyira no muntu kuzo kwa lengo muntu introduce that person to the family. Let the parents be aware of this person. Itebi abayibuli baonga yaya nimbwate nyarebe na ndetoroje relationship yeito, it can lead to marriage. Egere family amanyire njire in anything that can happen. Chi family go chire aware. Let us not hide any relationship which to what. Let them be known.
Ripoteria egeta seni kia ukia getembe koroiga sekenyoro kia geko kegotoke sublocation ya Boronyi minye wodi ya Kiogoro iliterane nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.